I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Use 1 gallon water, 1 cup white sugar, 8 tea bags, 1 cup starter kombucha, and a healthy SCOBY. These proportions give a balanced brew for beginners. Boil the water, dissolve the sugar, steep the tea for 10 minutes, then cool to room temperature before adding starter and SCOBY. Use a wide-mouth 1-gallon glass jar and leave a 2-inch air gap at the top so the SCOBY has room. Keep the jar at 68-78 degrees F and out of direct sunlight during fermentation for consistent results. Ferment the kombucha for 7-10 days at 68-78 degrees F until it tastes slightly tart. Shorter time yields sweeter brew, longer time yields vinegar-like acidity. Check taste on day 7 using a clean straw, sipping gently. Stop when acidity balances sweetness to your preference, and record that timing for future batches. If you see fuzzy blue, black, or green mold on the surface, discard that batch immediately and wash equipment with hot water. Keep lids breathable with a cloth or paper towel. Reserve 1 cup starter kombucha before bottling to seed the next batch. Pour the rest into airtight flip-top bottles for flavoring and carbonation. Add fruit, juice, or herbs. Use about 1/4 to 1/2 cup fruit puree per 16 ounces for a second fermentation, and leave 1-2 inches headspace to allow pressure to build safely. Carbonate bottles for 3-7 days at room temperature, then refrigerate to slow fermentation. Burp bottles if pressure builds excessively, and serve chilled for best flavor and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.